Oh, you waiting for her to come out? Oh, she's waiting for her to come out.
Yeah, I know.
Are you ready for your close-up? This cute or what? Well, you don't eat it. Tell her you don't eat it. Oh my God! I couldn't say it either. Natasha Huckabee, I can't even say it. Isn't it great, John? That's what we gave her. And she still likes it.
Yeah. Well, she's adorable.
Never let me do that.
How are all her friends, Judy?
Well, you don't know the crew.
No.
I don't know. I think something happened to Scruffy's mom.
Oh, yeah.
I think she's old, John. You know?
Yeah. Well, I love what she's doing.
Oh, isn't it great?
I'm so glad.
And she's had that a long time, right, John?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's her first
they get so mad at it, you know? Uh-oh. She's going to go in hiding.
Yeah, she likes that thing, Judy, I'm glad.
Come here. Come here, Scruff.
Come on, Scruffy.
Come here.
Come here. Oh, she's coming out.
She's coming out?
Yeah, she doesn't knock that tree over in the bush. Yeah, she used to knock it over. Well, now it's getting kind of big. It looks like it's growing, but I know it's an artificial. Looks nice in here, John.
That's the picture of your mom, right?